Day one. We have a blown head gasket on a Corvette LT4, and we're gonna see if we can change it out ourselves, so wish us luck.
Yes, sir, you're on the Yankees YouTube channel.
Alright, this is where we're at right now. We have the blower head off. We have a whole bunch of stuff disconnected. Radiator is drained. We left the oil just because we already changed it and flushed it a bunch of times just to help with possibility of corrosion, even though it's good. She's good. We'll send her. So here is the blower. She's looking pretty good. We looked at the, and actually we can spin this now that it's not connected to a bell. We looked at all the blades and they don't look too, they look freaking good, man. There's no like nicks or anything like that on the blower. I mean, there's like a piece of sand or something like that maybe got in there, but tiny. And then the head, or the cover for the blower right there, and then everything else that we've taken off. So that's what we got so far. Obviously batteries disconnected, and the saga continues. Stay tuned. All right, so this is where we made it tonight. It's about 1 a.m. So you guys zoom in on that. Not enough. Not enough, but you get the idea. This is where we made it. We're going to have to take this out. Take out our surge tank as well. Got to take off this whole front accessory thing because we have this, dowel down there. Let me turn this light back on. Oh, it got unplugged. Never mind. It got unplugged because we're done for the night. But yeah, got all our spark plug wires out. We've made a lot of progress for the first night. But we are going to continue in the morning. So hopefully in the morning, we get a lot more done. Done. The next day. So what we started with was taking the fuse box and the surge tank out. And then we're trying to get our headers out here. But we got to get, because you can see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but you can see the head bolts right there. They are a little bit hidden by the header still, and we can't really get too much more wiggle room. So we're gonna have to unbolt it from down in there. Focus, baby, focus. Here, maybe I can tell it to focus on that. See down in there, and then there's a couple more too. So there's 4 altogether. One of the other things that we did too is we had to take the water pump off, because that bracket sat in this part on the head. So now that that's off, we're getting there. We're getting there. Tearing it apart. All right, it is late in the day. We have the one head off, and as you can see, it is quite disgusting. See here, this is our head gasket. Had a little blow through right there, a little failure right there, all over the place, especially where it was weeping. And we're just trying to get that cleaned back up. Bitch and a half. All right, so we got both heads off now. The other one obviously wasn't the blown one, but we're still going to go ahead and do both since we were all the way here. Got the engine covered up for now. Block looked good on both sides. We'll clean it up and then we'll kind of show you a little bit more. But yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and bring these off to the machine shop, and with the magic of YouTube, we'll be back with some brand new heads right here in the next couple of days. So
Thanks for watching. Y'all come back now, you hear?